Hello. In today's workshop, I want to go over a couple of things, but I first want to start with digital literacy. Literacy is knowledge that relates to a specific subject, so you can get the idea of what digital literacy stands for in the digital field by putting those together. The main idea I want to get across today is the 21st century skills that teachers really need to use in the classroom to help their students thrive. There are two main sections I want to go over in this workshop: ways of thinking and the ways of working. Starting with the ways of thinking, critical thinking is very needed for a teacher because, for example, say you want to share a website with your students to help them with a lesson. You need to have critical thinking to be able to find and evaluate your website to make sure that it is authentic and accurate to give to your students. Otherwise, you could be giving them false information during a lesson. Creativity is another key item with the 21st century skills. You could use videos to engage students during a lesson, or learn how to take notes on your computer or any electronic device that you could share with your students as well. Going on to ways of working. Collaboration is a necessary skill for teachers. Collaboration can be used with the students in having them do group work and having them communicate to each other to get ideas from each other to help improve the lesson plan. This leads on to the next C, communication. Communication can be used by creating a vlog or website to share classroom information. This is a good way to get out information to students and parents. As a teacher, having these skills will help students reach the ISTE standards, which are described as the skills and knowledge needed to learn effectively and live productively in an increasingly global and digital society. So that wraps it all back up to digital literacy with these 21st century skills. Thank you, and I hope you learned a little bit from what I want to get across today in this workshop.